Hello everyone, Sam from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram, and today I have this beautiful 2022 Dodge Durango GT in Octane red pearl with the 20-inch black wheels and a Pentastar V6 3.6 with 8-speed transmission. Let's see some more of the car. Very muscular front end, showing the Dodge DNA. You can see the hood scoops over there, high and low LED beams, and coming to the side you can continue to see the muscularity, the sportiness of this SUV, but not without practicality, right? This one has a 7-seater capacity. Remote start system for those cold days. You get the car warm, and when you come in, everything is ready for you, right? You have heated steering wheel, heated seats, heated leather and perforated seats, right? Very good Uconnect infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Connect. You have the wireless charging here, start stop engine from the button, and beautiful sunroof, everything black, sporty, like a Dodge should be. From the driver's point of view, a very well laid out dashboard with a very good 8.4 inches Uconnect infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, wireless charging right here, and everything is within reach from your hand. A very good option if you're looking for a sporty family SUV that can fit up to 7. If you want to know more about it, you can visit us at 900 St-Laurent Boulevard, or you can call us at 613-604-0406. Have a great day.